The public specifier says that everyone can have access to a given class or class member, even if it refers to it in another package. As you probably guessed, it can help us eliminate the problems that IDE pointed out. Let's declare the smartphone class as public. If you now import the smartphone class in another class, for example smartphone utils or smartphone test, there will be no error in the import line, and also we can declare variables of this type. But IntelliJ, however, showed a new error. It tells us that I know that there is such a class as smartphone, so I don't see a problem for you to declare variables of this type. So writing smartphone and naming the variable as phone1 is okay, but you haven't specified any public constructor, so you can't create an object of this class. We eliminate all problems by adding the modifier public to constructor and also to the class fields, because in smartphone utils we haven't had access to smartphone properties. The modifier public can be used for classes and all its components, such as fields and methods.